Seneta wa Meru Kadhuri Murungi na akinyite skurune ya Nthaka ya Gikurune nyuma ya monki ukuyirwa Jumamosi ya kiumia kithiro. Kadhuri na rombeti aritoti ireibo tumira rwaria rira bena matheta antu awikira skuru asara monki yo Jumamosi otiete nyumba ya kuraro Nthaka igana rimwe 50 igete buru oria mwabote muntu awatangurario kongina kumubunge Kirima Ngushinde awete kwino batu bo mutaratara ya CBC kumurikwa ringi akiwa gutina ilasi bya kwana kuombithia junior secondary. Mutugi wa Karena ribotie.
Ntuko ya Jumamosi ndiruma dhaja dejede chotuko chukuru ya Nthaka ya Gikurune nyumbemo ya kurara nione mutino jomwanki juria mwonkira naro jutamenyekana kaumokaju na kiaria mwarimu munene wa skuru eje kagitene kara Seneta wa Meru Kadhuri Murungi akoriongite ku ariuga nyumba eje ya ira ya thira gutone gintu ya konokia ku area kugaitanda 57 materesi nento bya kumamira byaritwe gana rimwe 15 ni byaire akiwa kinyetunda laura kugeria gwetangare ya koria mwanki rita chiara matunda ni untu bakinyera mwanki jotemete ntame na ndimo arimu munene akigweta rito bonde ni barekero bwane goro area kuabaga karanja kwa kiumia kimwe kenda baka kanyo chunkuni bweta na mbere kudidwa.
We decided that let us give them a break to ease the tension, and that's how we came to giving them a break of 1 week yesterday.
Nakagite negaka kwethirite wikujiro makarika ja maingi ja skuru kwea nakamoka mwanki gate kwethira gakimenyekana Seneta Murungi no rete aritoka ja kwethira bare no mobatu ni bethire bakeja ikiambere ukurukiro tongeria boao na kinyake inyeri ari mobane na gwateri bakithomo kwethira bagechumia kuthikira mende kitheja ujaritwa
ukethora kuri shubwe na chubule alitwa na bukwanda chandireswa tumire ni system ya yenu ya representatives negenda baga kenyera school management na thina yumbe kuthira.
I'd like to encourage the school management most of the time to be listening to these students. However petty the issues might sound, I think at this age they have to sit down and engage these students.
Kinyethro igantu ikanini ana ibathikirwe na kanini kau gagataturio nontu kanini kau garega kwa sotend iko gagwitaga ikura agakura mwanga gakanenea so principals bonde ibathithiro beno chore bone na muno na aritwa na student leadership nikenda tumontu turio tumba gutaturio
tamwejere akigiro kya muthiga form 4 aritwa bane bethirite bakeo mataroja ja.
The exam is still scheduled, the timetables are out. We are in the advanced stages of our organizing for the Kenya National Examination. Therefore, we really hope and trust that no mercy is going to return.
Distraction kidogo ngonenya form 4 baipurepea gero biao kinyabo bali nyumbani nontu issue jumba kwa soten so kinya form 1 2 na 3 ibagerio support their brothers and sisters in form 4 nikenda bombo kwithira bonde bakithithia kithomo kya bwega
kungina kumubunge wa Central Imenti Kirima Ngushinde na ugite thirikari tari kwibangania bwega kagitene kare ambagiria mutarato ya kithomo kya CBC akiuga thaiji aritwa berigeri gweta grade ya kenda mubunge Kirima na gwetete gutinira sibia kibia grade ya kenda na akiuga thirikari tithirite kirekeria kigina kiu.
Hakuna madarasa ya grade 9, hatujapatiwa pesa ya kujenga grade 9 na serikali ilikuwa imeahidi itatupatia nini? Pesa. Kama hii ofisi yangu CDF ina ndeni kubwa ya more than 54 million shillings. Singetusaidia huku kujenga nini? Grade 9.
Kingi kya gutegera mubunge Kirima aruga skuru cha primary kirigishigwa mbunge kyawe ira chitena laboratory ni skuru 45 na akiuga nkuru kichitena skuru ya secondary ya kwe urabomba kwethera bagetumera kirasi kimwe.
Policy ya serikali ni kwamba pale kuna day school. Hiyo day school the assumption is that they have a lab. and when they have a lab, they share it with junior secondary school. But now that's not the case. Many of our primary schools in this constituency doesn't have a day school. We have many, we have about 41, but we have 86 primary schools. So if you look at the balance, you'll find that we have 45 primary schools which have no day school, and the children have nowhere to do their practicals, the junior secondary school.
Keri potra te to shawero rea kwa rieto ni motuge kare.